Hello everyone, thanks for joining in for another video on the build out of this children's play stage. At this point, this is my third video in the series. I've already made two other ones, one that went through the initial framing and another one that went through the rough build out. At this point, we're going to be doing more of the finishing touches and getting closer to that final reveal. So if you haven't already watched the other videos, you can watch those and get caught up to speed. Where we left off though, we got all the surfaces covered with OSB. Everything's framed out. We have all the doors and access ways finished. Now we're just going to be putting down the things, the final details, making it look really nice. So we're going to get into that. If you like it, go ahead and share with other people, like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Thanks for the support. Really appreciate it.